Hello friends, this is Anita Ravish and welcome to my channel. Today's video is about mandala art. This video is for absolute beginners. Even if you don't know how to draw, I have explained this in very easy and simple steps so you can draw a mandala very easily. So let's start the video. I have taken 22 by 22 centimeter piece of paper. First, for drawing the mandala art, we have to find the center of the page. So with the help of a ruler and pencil, I am finding the center of the page. From the center of the page, take a compass, keep at the center and draw concentric circles as I have shown. Like this, we have to draw concentric circles. It can be of any radius. Continue drawing the circle. As much as we want to fill the patterns. So I have made concentric circles like this. Now with the help of a protractor, mark points with each 10-degree distance apart. I am marking the points with 10-degree difference between each points. After marking the points, join the point and the center of the circle with the help of a ruler. Just join the 2 points with the help of a ruler and draw straight lines. This is used to make a grid to draw the patterns. This grid is very essential to draw the patterns. After drawing the grids, just erase whatever lines that is not wanted. Now you can fill the patterns in each line. For this mandala, I am using a black pen. It is a gel pen. You can use any kind of black pen, but I am using a gel pen over here. It gives a nice output to the mandala. So I am using a gel pen here. For the first layer, I am drawing a simple petal-like pattern. It is a simple petal-like pattern. After finishing each circle, make a border so that it will differentiate between each circles. After finishing the first circle, I am shading it. Shading each circle gives a nice effect on the mandala. Now for the second circle, I am drawing a simple leaf-like pattern. Mark the middle point of the grid and just join, forming a leaf-like pattern. You can draw any patterns of your choice. It is just up to your creativity. I have finished the second circle with the leaf pattern. Erase all the pencil marks that we have drawn before. After marking the leaf patterns, now I am drawing simple designs inside the leaf. Fill the circle and then draw a border to differentiate between the circles. Here with the help of a compass, I am drawing a small circle just to differentiate between the patterns. Here I am filling the circle with small spiral-like design. Mandala art is all about symmetry. Being symmetrical is very important aspect for mandala art. But since this video is about for beginners, I'm not giving much importance to the symmetrical part, so just enjoy the process. Here also I'm drawing another petal like design. This time it is bigger one. I've completed this cycle with the bigger petals. I'm drawing a leaf-like pattern inside each petal. It's very easy to draw. You can draw any pattern inside or any design that comes to your mind. It's totally up to your creativity. Here I am drawing small triangles next to the leaf-like pattern and I am shading it. So fill the circle with the small triangles next to each leaf-like pattern and complete the circle. This shading gives a nice effect to the mandala. Here for the next circle I am drawing another leaf-like pattern, but inside the leaf I am drawing two more leaves and I am filling the pattern with some lines and shading the inner leaf. Complete the circle with the same pattern like this. For the next circle I am drawing triangles. You can also follow the leaf pattern, but since I want to show a difference, I am drawing triangles here. As I told before, it is totally up to your imagination. Now I am shading the triangles. Shading gives a nice effect on the mandalas. Mandala art is a kind of therapy in itself. Since all our concentration goes inside the drawing, it improves our concentration power also. So just enjoy the process. Here I am finishing the inner circle by just giving this kind of design and shading it. So our mandala art is finally ready. This is a very simple design, easy to make. Even if you don't know how to draw, you can make this design. Use your creativity and enjoy the process. So our mandala art is ready. Hope you all like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.